In the past few weeks, we have been working our asses off, striving for perfection. The mission? To prepare Rosetta, our old 1987 Vasiliy sailing boat, for her triumphant return to the water. But before we dive head first into the endless amount of work, we decided to have a little time to ourselves. So unfortunately, we didn't have any visibility.
No visibility. But we should have known that.
Yeah.
Because it's really wavy.
So here we have our Blake's seacock that works as a secondary deck drain, but it's properly seized up. So we decided to remove it and fill it with fiberglass to offer more space in the engine room for our future wet log to be stored.
I'm going to talk really loud because I've got earplugs in. Can't really hear. So, have a little look here. This is where our deck drain was. We've got another one at this side. Another deck drain here. This had the old seacock that was sort of broken. We removed the seacock, and because we need space for the wet lock, the exhaust, we decided to get rid of this. It gets a big pipe about this big all the way out the way. So what we have to do here, Vasiliy from Slick Haulers told us to grind with an angle grinder the hull, take all paint and everything off all the way back to the fiberglass, and then we're going to re-fiberglass this patch here, make it all nice and smooth and new. That's the job we're doing now. Once more into the fray we go.
This is not working. So I'm getting really annoyed. I'm trying to sand the fiberglass and I'm getting really pissed off because this pipe is in my way. This pipe here, that one, is in my way and I can't get to that side to sand it. So I'm just getting a little bit frustrated. Gotta figure out how to move it. Try to like hold it up in the one direction to try and get back there, but it's not. It's very stiff. So now I'm gonna take another attempt and try to hold it up with some rope.
Roll sound production, take 2.
A few moments later.
So, she's terrible. Trying to do videos. She's up on the scaffolding. So silly. So this is quite a good product. I've just applied it now. It's like a rust remover. So what I've got here is I've got the prop shaft and then the coupling. And this is obviously rusted for some unknown reason. in the past, so I've given it a little bit of a wire brush and a drilled wire brush, and then I've applied this anti-rust gel, and it seems to be coming up quite nicely straight away. It said leave it for 2 minutes to an hour. We'll leave it half an hour, have a little look, and then give it a rinse, see if it's made a difference. Stern tube, little clean up, little prop and anode clean up time. This should come lovely and shiny. Look at this. Let's do a proper job. The difference. Problem?
Tired,
Hey?
tired.
Is this your favourite job?
No, I don't like this job.
At least your ears are all squashed.
Are they?
Yeah. Look at that.
I feel like the antibiotic is making me tired.
You look like an antibiotic.
Hey! Dickwad.
Look, this is the shit job.
Yeah, I know.
We've got to get the sanding done.
Yeah, I know. But antibiotic in me is making me fucking weak, isn't it?
Yeah, but we've got no time for weakness.
You are gonna have weakness
You'll be weak
when I'm done with you.
Weak when you're dead.
I'm not sure about your attitude today.
How are you feeling today?
Tired.
Yeah, it's been a tough one, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Man, to be fair, we've only done half a day.
Yeah.
What time do we start? 8:30?
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12, 4 hours. Hour and a half break. It's now 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Tough work, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look at our sanding job. Show me around, see where I've missed.
Well, this is the Vasiliy 33. It's full of shit.
I was thinking before, I find this bit really hard.
What?
Where we're smashing the place to pieces. I'm really excited to put things back together. Can you spot anywhere we've missed? That's all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning the area where the cauldron is, and then I'm going to paint the area with the bilge paint. Let's get going. Alright, we're done with the tape, and now I'm going to go ahead with the bilge paint.
Big man's back in the game. A little bit of boat maintenance. Oh, and we go again into the depths of the bay. So Kylie's done a load of painting. Now we're putting some nice shiny stuff. Oh, that was agile, wasn't it? We're on. There and there. Yeah. This engine bay's going to be beautiful. Yeah, 30. Oh, what was that noise? Oh, brat.
I have a Horizon Seeker shirt. Oh.
Don't be jealous. Hello.
Yeah.
Remember, this is supposed to be. This is.
Don't zoom in my face.